What's up, guys? Today we got some Burgerfi. You with me? Burgerfi is really good. I had it before. I don't know if they got it all over the place, but I know they got it for sure. Look at that. That shit's branded in there. This is their spicy chicken sandwich with supposedly ghost pepper honey. Ooh, with the jalapenos and the spicy pickles. Alright, let's try it. Y'all ready? Really good, but it's not that spicy. You know me, I like spicy food. Here's what their ghost pepper honey look like. Get some on there, glaze it up. That's really good. Try to open this. Their cheese sauce. Ooh, nice and cheesy. I didn't put no napkins. That's really good. Their chicken, nice and juicy. Their honey, fire. It's not spicy though, but fire. Should we get lost in the sauce? Hell yeah. Oh my god, it's dripping. Here I go, you ready? Oh no, napkins? We also got their fry and onion ring combo. We got the parm herb. Look at the size of their onion rings, bro. Sheesh. You ready for that? Onion ring. Get that onion ring in your mouth with the cheese sauce. What? What? Lily's over here just laughing, guys. What you laughing at? Last bite of that chicken. That was really good. Recommend y'all get that. Papita. French fries. Look at that. Let me open this one more. Look at that, guys. That shit is busting. Oh, I need to stop cussing. That is busting. Y'all see that? Oh, that parm. With their Burgerfi sauce. Really good. Next we got the Glizzy gang. Look guys, I haven't had a hot dog in like years. How long? Literally wildin' shit with that Glizzy gobbler, you hear me? But I haven't had a hot dog in like, I wanna say 3 years? Ever since, or like 4 or 5 years? Ever since Snoop Dogg watched that video of how they make the Glizzies, I was like, yeah, no thank you. But this one is a Wagyu beef. You with me? It's not no all those meats and stuff. We got chili, cheese, some relish, mayo, ketchup, onions on this bad boy. You hear me? Glizzy Gladiator. Get that glizzy in your mouth. Y'all ready?
Hey, yo!
That's a glizzy right there. Wow. That's a glizzy right there. Mm-hmm.
She was very happy with what she had chosen to do. I think at that point, all that she felt was missing was
onion ring
romance.
with some cheese sauce.
The right guy that she wanted. She wanted to get married. She wanted to have children.
That glizzy is torch. Should we try with the honey? Might as well. Some of that glizzy with that honey dripping. Look at that. Ooh. I haven't had the glizzy in a while, man. This thing is really good. We got that Burgerfi shake. What you laughing at? Lily's just over here laughing. What you laughing at? Can't eat in peace. Burgerfi. Oreo Milkshake. That joint bussin'. You ever seen them people dip their fries in their milkshake? I've never tried that, so here's the first time. Look. Got the French fry and the Oreo milkshake.
I think what made Daniel so appealing.
That's not bad. Hey yo, that's the meta right there. Damn. Yo, that's actually flames. I thought it was weird as hell, but that's actually flames. Another bite of that glizzy. Let's do it with their sauce though. Burgerfi sauce. Having a glizzathon over here. That's a good glizzy. Sauce it up with that Burgerfi sauce. It kind of look like the Raising Cane sauce. You hear me? All done. That's a torchy glizzy right there. Can you hand me my water, please? Thank you. Fire glizzy. Now it's time for their burger. I think they messed up my burger though. Because for my burger I was supposed to get, yep, the burger I was supposed to get with mayo, ketchup, grilled onions, a fried egg, and an onion ring on the burger. But this bad boy is just the 2 patties, some lettuce, and some diced onions. That's it. They banged me for my buck. That's alright though. Take a bite of that. Ooh man. Let's get some more cheese on that. Some cheese with some more. We're gonna sauce it up. We're gonna get lost in this sauce. With some more of their joint. What's it called? Burgerfi sauce. Y'all ready for that? Take a quick bite of that. Y'all ready? Look. That's good. Kind of reminds me of a Five Guys burger. Just with their sauce. Oreo Milkshake. You can't go wrong with that. Ain't no napkins though. I'm gonna have to finish this off camera because I'm trying to crush. Let's try it with the honey. Oh yeah.
Which was of course
Go ahead, me.
wedding toast. He had talked about how we got them together. And it was lovely to see how proud and happy he was to have two of his friends end up together. And it was beautiful wedding.
That's so torch. Let's have Lily try the shake with fries. You wanna try it? It's really good. It's actually slept on, yeah. I've been sleeping.
Well, I didn't know that since I was little, so.
I've never done that. I've been sleeping, but now I'm awake. I'm up now. That's actually torch. Should I dip my burger in it?
Ew.
What you think?
No.
I shouldn't dip my burger in it?
No, that's nasty.
I guess I won't dip it. Lily's judging me. That's really good. Kind of feel like dipping my burger in it though. You know what? Y'all let me know. in the comments below if I should dip my burger next go around in my shake and try it out.
Daniel, I thought engineering would have been more useful.
But yeah, Burgerfi, fire. Recommend y'all get it. I don't know if they have it in your hometown, but they have it here. Lily's mom just came back from, where was she at? Florida. And she got me this shirt. What y'all think? Ooh, Popeye, you hear me? Look at that. Can I show them your shirt? She also got this shirt for me, but Lily said she wanted it, so I was like, alright, you can just have that one. But this was meant for me, but it says this girl needs a beer. Hey. That's fire. What?
Why would she buy me that?
Alright though, y'all. See y'all on the next one.